Hello everyone, this is Indian Edits. Sorry for the delay and thank you for waiting. In this video, I'm going to teach you my own skull edit style. The same style I use in my edits. I'll show you exactly how I built a skull edit step by step from scene selection to final impact. This is not a copied method, this is real workflow. Now let me show you how it's done. Alright, let's move into the actual process. First step, scene cutting and freeze frame. This part is very important for beginners because a clean skull edit always starts with the right frame. I cut the clip exactly where the impact should happen and then I freeze the frame so the movement stays locked. Next, pre-composing the frozen frame. This step is useful for beginners and intermediate editors. Pre-composing keeps the project clean and makes future effects easier to manage. Now I go inside the pre-composition. Here I add my skull face PNG. Skull placement and scaling. This is a beginner friendly step but very important. I adjust the skull scale and position so it is matches the character face properly. Duplicating the layer. This part is intermediate level. I duplicate the skull and add drop shadow to create depth and separation from the background. I adjust the drop shadow settings so the skull doesn't look flat. This helps the skull blend into the scene naturally. Ghost style adjustment. This step is creative and advanced. I slightly change the skull's scale and position to give it a ghost-like feeling instead of a solid overlay. Now I move to text creation. I add text and write edit by Indian Edits. You can replace this with your own channel name. Font selection and text styling. This is a beginner step but it affects branding. I choose the font, adjust size, spacing and position. After that, I duplicate the text layer. On the lower text layer, I add the plasma effect. This step is intermediate level and helps create energy and glow. Once the text looks good, I pre-compose both text layer. This is important for clean workflow and advanced effects. Now I add bevel alpha, deep glow and drop shadow on the text composition. This is an advanced step used to make the text look cinematic and sharp. I carefully adjust all these effects so the text looks powerful, not messy. Applying shake, Indian shake, this step is advanced and it adds impact and intensity to the skull edit. Important for viewers, if you want this shake pack, you can download it from the description or pinned comment. If anyone faces issue downloading it, you can message me on Discord and I'll help you personally. After applying the shake, I do final adjustment, timing, intensity and balance, and finally I show you the final result of the skull edit. This entire process is my real skull edit workflow, not copied from anywhere. That's it for this skull edit tutorial. I hope this helped you understand my real editing process. If you learned something useful, support the video with a like. Subscribe for more real editing tutorials. No shortcuts, only skills. I'll see you in the next one.